Hello guys and welcome to the GoGeek channel. Today we will be talking about the Sandberg USB 3.0 hub. The Sandberg USB 3.0 hub comes packed in a black and blue package with the Sandberg logo on top and the image of the USB hub in the middle. Inside the box we have the Sandberg USB 3.0 hub 7 ports, one 70cm USB 3.0 connection cable and one 230V AC power supply compatible with EU and UK sockets. The hub is made out of an aluminum body and it is compatible with virtually all modern operating systems. You can use it without the AC adapter if you don't have any high power consumption item attached to it. It is USB 3.0, USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 compliant and has 7 USB 3.0 A female and 1 micro B female. The Sandberg USB hub looks and feels robust from the first moment you touch it. The aluminium body makes it sturdier and more professional looking than most of the competitive devices out there. The hub has a triangular prism shape and the USB ports are facing upwards. That being said, the cables coming out of it will be facing you, so when deciding to get a hub yourself, consider this aspect. We plan on mounting it under the desk, incorporating it with the cable management we already have, and we believe this is the best way to go about using it. On the bottom it has rubber paddings that helps it stay put off the desk and not slip away in any direction. On the front we have 7 USB 3.0 ports, 6 of them being able to provide up to 900 mAh of power, and the 7th one is a charging port designed for power-hungry devices that can provide up to 2.4 amperes of power. Basically you can use any of the ports for your keyboards, mice, mics, webcams or USB memory sticks, but if you want to charge your phone you will need to use the 7th port. Of course, if you expect the hub to perform well, you will have to plug it in the AC charger and to the PC or notebook. The power connectors are located on the side of the hub and they are pretty straightforward. You have one round AC adapter plug and one USB plug. The AC adapter is ZL Plus UKA type, 230V AC, output DC 12V and 3 amperes. With the power adapter connected you also benefit from the built-in overload protection. To test the Sandberg USB 3.0 hub we will have to try out the features, and to do this we will connect some power-hungry peripherals to it and also do transfers test over the USB ports. For the first test, we'll plug in our keyboard, mouse, mousepad, microphone and the headset stand, all being power hungry as they also have RGB illumination. They all work flawlessly when the USB hub's power adapter is connected, but they keep on disconnecting and the brightness of the RGB is somewhere around 30% when the power adapter is not plugged in. To test out the transfer speed, we'll have to first check the specifications. The hub supports super speed of 5 gigabit per second, high speed of 480 megabit per second, full speed at 12 megabit per second, transfer rate. To test the hub we decided to use an external hard drive so we won't get any limitations in terms of speed. We took one test with the hard drive plugged directly into the PC and another one with the hard drive plugged into the hub, and there was literally no difference at all. The maximum speed achieved was 3 GB per second and the average speed was around 300 MB per second. The Sandberg USB 3.0 hub is a great tool to have next to your daily PC or laptop. You can never have enough USB ports and you will this way only when you need them. The best thing about this hub is the ability to charge your phone as well as use all your USB devices simultaneously. The build quality is great, the hub is made out of aluminium and not cheap plastic, so it is made to last, and you also have 5 years warranty. The performance is also decent, matching the expected performances. The hub is available directly from the Sandberg online store for 62.99 euros, or you can grab it on Amazon for 65.19 euros. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.